Hi, this is Cheryl St.Pierre, and this is a package opening for Beebeecraft. And I have already opened the package and unwrapped everything as much as possible, just to make it easier to show you. So the first item I have here is Airycraft Electroplated Natural Freshwater Shell Beads, and it's a strand. They're teardrop in shape, and they're pink. It's a beautiful light pastel pink, and it's got a really pearlescent finish, so it's really beautiful. They're 18 by 13 by 4 millimeter, with the hole is 1 millimeter. Sorry about that. And there's about 23 pieces per strand, they say. So this is the strand is 41 centimeters long, which is a little over 16 inches. So that, I don't know if the camera's catching them. I have a tutorial plan to make these. It will include some wire weaving, so be sure to check back to find that. And next, oh, here, I've got a package of some discs, and these discs are made by Airycraft. Oops, no, Super Findings. There's about 160 pieces, 8 colors. They're about, it says 0.59 times 0.08 inches, and they're spray painted, and they're freshwater shell beads and flat round spacers. So there's a great variety of colors. So I'm going to go through the colors for you. There's a bright orange, and I'm doing a tutorial with these. I haven't figured out the exact design I'm doing yet, so it's in my future, near future. And a beautiful yellow, and a lovely green, almost a Kelly green. Oh, look at this beautiful, stunning blue. I love that blue. There's a beautiful pastel pink, a magenta type purple. I don't know if the colors are accurate on the screen. They look accurate on my phone. Black and red. So I love the shell. See how it has that glowiness to it? So that's going to make some wonderful earrings. That's the plan. And I'm going to be designing, I've done a similar design before with a larger disc bead. So I'm going to try and come up with something to go around here, and then up. So it's going to be up like that. So it's going to be a little bit of finger swirling. I know that finger swirling is a hit with my followers, so look forward to that. Okay, what's next here? Oh, okay, these are Airycraft Natural Sunstone beads. They're flat beads, and they're faceted. They're 12.5 by 6 millimeter. The hole is 1 millimeter, and they figure there's going to be about 31 pieces a strand. Now, for those that aren't familiar with Sunstone, it's got depth to it. I don't know. I'm going to try and get the camera to pick it up. Can you see that? How it has that sparkle and depth. It's a very unique stone. It almost looks a lot like the cream-colored moonstone. The cream-colored moonstone really doesn't have a flash, but it kind of has a very similar look. So if you're familiar with that, it's a lot like that. It's got lots of character. Okay, so moving on. Now, I pre-opened this. I hope I didn't dump any. These are really tiny heart beads, and I believe they're glass. I'm going to read off the writing. These are Airycraft imitation jade glass beads. They're 6 by 6 by 4 millimeter, and they're a 0.7 millimeter. Whoops, get that in the center hole. So I'm going to try to do a tutorial for this, but I have I bought two. I have a tutorial planned for some heart beads, but I have 2 types of heart beads because I wanted to have an option in case the hole wasn't the right size. These are the other heart beads I have. These are a tiny bit bigger. They're 7 by 6 and a half. And it says that the hole is 0.8 millimeters. So the hole is slightly larger. And so the shell has that depth again, just like the discs. And then they're a pastel pink. So I'm hoping you love my tutorial. Who knows, I might be able to do that tutorial with both style of beads. And then it'd be a great bead for you to pick up. So next, all I have left is some Miyuki beads, and I don't know why. Maybe they're coming out in bottles now, but I've got 2 packets and 2 bottles, and I have a flat pink. I'm going to see what color it. Matte opaque pink champagne is what it's called. So I have a plan for this. I don't think I'm doing a tutorial. I'm pulling out my beading loom and making bracelets. And I have some matte gray. And there's 2,000 beads in each of these packets. They're 11/0 in size, delicate beads. I have matte white, and I have, let's see, galvanized silver is what this one's called. So to put some glitz in it. And so I'm thinking that this combo of colors is going to look fabulous to make a bracelet. So there, magically I have them all appear together. And I just want to take the opportunity to invite all those that have channels with 100 subscribers or more that they are welcome to apply to do the same package opening opportunity that I have with Beebeecraft. And you go to the site, and right on the front page they have where you can apply for it. So it's really easy to do. I'll have the link in my descriptions. I'll also have the link for all of these items, and as the tutorials come out, I will add the links to the tutorials that will be done with some of these products. And also, I wanted to let you know that with Beebeecraft, you get free shipping with all orders $40 or more US. And they have given me a coupon code to offer you guys for, I think it's 40. I have to double check, but I'll have it written down in my description. I think with the $40 purchase that you could get a $5 off. So that's just something to help you out. And I think that's everything that I need to say. So thanks for joining me with this video, and God bless. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now.